Firstly, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to check out Carta.